How to log out of SoundCloud on all devices. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log out or sign out of SoundCloud on all devices. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first you have to open up SoundCloud in a browser. So open up a browser. Now here type and search for www.soundcloud.com. You have to search for this exact website. Now once you're on the website, you have to turn on the desktop mode. So if you are on Chrome, to turn on the desktop mode, tap on these three dots in the top right corner and then here check this desktop site option and wait for it to load. Now once the desktop side of SoundCloud is loaded, zoom in and here in the top tap on sign in. Now here you can sign in with Facebook, you can sign in with Google or Apple, or you can sign in through your email address. So let me sign in real quick. So after you have signed in, zoom in and here zoom in to the top and here in the corner you will see these three dots. Tap on it and then here tap on settings. Now in settings, here you will see connected applications. It doesn't say here all devices, it says here connected applications. So this would probably mean that all devices you have signed in through your SoundCloud account. So to sign out of this devices here, these applications here, scroll to the right and here you will see revoke access, and if you want to revoke all at once you can tap on revoke all. And then after tapping on revoke, again tap on revoke all and sign out to confirm. So that's how you can sign out of all devices on your SoundCloud. Thanks for watching.